Well, yeah. It is 3:48, and I spent a little time just kind of waiting for the rain to stop, but it looks like it's not going to. Yeah. That's all right. Walk up here and thinking about in the rain why it is I don't have a vehicle. Yes. I don't have a driver's license, right? In fact, I don't have any rights at all. Now, the enforcement of the judgments of this nation has to be enforced in other nations. Yeah. Did anybody find out if we have what's known as reciprocity with the United Nations? See, I spent a little time, yeah, really considering how many of the dissolutions of marriage in this nation, yeah, can actually be resolved by any superior court. Now, you would say all of them. Yes. Because you're a superior court. Yes. And you can pretty much do what you want. But my concern is that I'm still married. Yes. And somebody seems to think that they don't have to enforce the actual laws of the United States. Yes. hmm That's the way it's looking. Yeah. That the judges decided that they're going to refuse to remove their fraud. After I sent approximately 3,500 emails while at the senior center. Yes. And then I inform you of the fraud of issuing a dissolution of marriage where I didn't get any notice of court hearings. Yes. And I was homeless at the time that you did that. Now, I'll give you an example. Yes. On July 8th of 2011, you issued a petition for order for protection. Yeah. While I was on Guam. Yes. While I was in jail. Yes. And then you reissued the temporary protection order without any attempt to service to myself. Yes. And without me being informed while on welfare that as an indigent civil matter. Yes. Because the arrest didn't take place in the state of Washington. Yeah. See, the actual criminal complaint of the accusation of family violence. Yes. Child abuse and assault. Yes. Is a criminal matter. The motioning of the court for this protection order, yes, even though she might have included the arrest that took place on Guam, yeah, is a civil matter. Oh. See, to be criminal, to accuse a person of a crime, yeah, quite often they issue one of these traffic citations. And they use a traffic citation to say it is alleged that on or about Thursday, December 31st of 2015, yes, at 7:47 a.m., Paul Chad Budnick, date of birth 7/13/1970, violated, yes, and then they have an RCW, yes, that is known as the law. And then there's two counts of that, the knowingly violating or restraining or protection order granted under Title RCW 26. Now, this is an example of a criminal complaint. Yes, it is. It's in the allegation of committing a crime. This, yes, was a civil matter. Yes, it was. Because no arrest took place in the state of Washington. That's right. And the arrest didn't take place in the state of Washington. Yes. And then the arrest did not take place in the state of Washington. Now, this is an example of the difference between a criminal matter and a civil matter. Yes, it is. And when I'm in jail, right, and I'm on Guam, yes, and it's a civil matter, I was qualified, yes, to have an attorney appointed for me. Yes. Now, it's a little different than in a criminal matter. Yes. Because the Constitution provides that any individual accused of a crime, yes, it is, that if they are unable to pay for their own defense attorney, yes, called defense counsel, it's one of these amendments, yeah, and I think it could be amendment number 5 or 6. Just a second, I have a copy of it in here someplace. Yeah. It's one of the Bill of Rights amendments that if the individual accused of a crime is unable to provide for their own attorney, yes, one will be provided for you. It's kind of like in the Miranda rights. Yes. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Yes. You have the right to attorney. Yes. If you cannot afford an attorney will be provided for you. That's one of these Bill of Rights. Yes. Hmm. Now it's a different matter when it's a civil matter. Yes, it is. Because a civil matter is something that the court rules. Yes, governs. Yes, it does. The indigent rights of the individuals to receive an attorney. Yes, because they mention that they need an attorney because of their poverty. Now, Amendment number 16. Yes, yes, yes. Article number 5, Article number 6, Article number 7. Amendment number 5. Yes. Oh, wait a second here. Oh, Amendment number 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy, yes, the right to a speedy trial, or speedy and public trial. Yeah. By an impartial jury of the state district wherein the crime shall have been committed. Yeah. Which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature of the cause of the accusation. Yeah. To be confronted with the witnesses against them, says him, but a lot of gender specific, so on and so forth. To have a compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel, yes, assistance of counsel for his defense. Yes. Now, Amendment number 6 is the constitutional right of an individual accused of crime.